Tomato farming is one of the most profitable and widely practiced agricultural activities in the world. However, for new growers, successful tomato production requires proper planning, correct techniques, and continuous management. In this video, we will go through practical tomato farming tips that every beginner should understand before starting. Welcome to Smart Farm Insights, where we explain modern agricultural practices in a clear and practical way. If you are interested in farming and food production, consider subscribing for more educational content. The first and most important step in tomato farming is choosing the right variety. Not all tomato varieties perform the same in every climate. Some are better for hot environments, while others grow well in cooler regions. Beginners should select disease-resistant varieties that are suitable for their local growing conditions. This reduces risk and increases chances of success. The second key factor is soil preparation. Tomatoes grow best in well-drained, fertile soil rich in organic matter. Before planting, farmers should test soil pH. Tomatoes prefer slightly acidic soil, typically between 6.0 and 6.8. Adding compost or well-decomposed manure improves soil structure and nutrient availability. Seedling quality is another critical factor. Strong, healthy seedlings produce stronger plants later. Seedlings should have thick stems, healthy green leaves, and no signs of disease. Avoid weak or stretched seedlings, as they may struggle after transplanting. Proper spacing is essential. Many beginners make the mistake of planting too close together. Crowded plants reduce airflow, increase disease risk, and lower yield. Adequate spacing allows sunlight to reach leaves and improves ventilation. Water management plays a major role in tomato success. Tomatoes require consistent moisture, especially during flowering and fruit development. However, overwatering can cause root diseases and fruit cracking. Drip irrigation is often recommended because it delivers water directly to the root zone and reduces waste. Nutrient management must be balanced. Tomatoes require nitrogen for leaf growth, phosphorus for root and flower development, and potassium for fruit quality. Excess nitrogen can lead to excessive leaf growth but fewer fruits. Balanced fertilization ensures strong plant development and good fruit production. Supporting tomato plants is another important practice. Most tomato varieties require staking, trellising, or cages to keep plants upright. Proper support prevents fruit from touching the ground, reduces disease risk, and improves air circulation. Pruning can also improve yield and plant health. Removing excess side shoots helps the plant focus energy on fruit production. However, pruning methods depend on whether the tomato variety is determinate or indeterminate. Pest and disease monitoring should begin early. Common tomato pests include aphids, whiteflies, and caterpillars. Fungal diseases such as blight and mildew can spread quickly in humid conditions. Regular inspection allows early detection and timely control measures. Climate conditions greatly affect tomato production. Tomatoes require adequate sunlight, usually 6 to 8 hours daily. Temperature extremes can reduce fruit setting. Very high heat may cause flower drop, while cold temperatures can slow growth. Mulching is a helpful technique for beginners. Organic mulch helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. It also reduces soil splashing onto leaves, which can spread disease. Pollination is another factor to consider. In open fields, wind and insects assist pollination. In protected environments like greenhouses, gentle shaking of plants or introducing pollinators may improve fruit set. Harvesting at the correct time ensures better quality and market value. Tomatoes should be harvested when they reach mature color but are still firm. Delayed harvesting can lead to overripe fruits and losses. Post-harvest handling is equally important. Tomatoes should be handled carefully to avoid bruising. Proper storage conditions extend shelf life and maintain quality. Finally, record keeping is a habit every serious grower should develop. Tracking planting dates, fertilizer applications, irrigation schedules, and yield results helps improve future production decisions. In conclusion, successful tomato farming depends on proper variety selection, soil preparation, spacing, irrigation, balanced nutrition, pest management, and careful harvesting. Beginners who follow these practical steps can significantly increase their chances of achieving healthy plants and productive harvests. At Smart Farm Insights, our goal is to provide clear and practical agricultural guidance to support farmers and growers at every level. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more farming insights and educational content.